In this video, I will explain how you can save installation space in compact cylinders with the cylinder switch SDBT-MSX. On compact cylinders with short stroke lengths, the protruding sensor housing could be problematic. This is because the sensing point is located on the edge of the sensor housing. The advantage of the new SDBT-MSX switch is that its sensing range is 20 mm. The switching point can be set digitally using the programming button. I'll show you how you can save space with this function. Mount the cylinder sensor in such a way that the sensor marking of the SDBT-MSX is within the housing of the cylinder. Connect the cylinder to the control system, or, as in my case, to a test cabinet. Press the programming button 3 times to open the setting menu. The green and yellow LEDs will start to flash. I then press the button once, so I can set the switching point. The yellow LED flashes every 2 seconds, and the green LED is permanently on. I press the button again and wait 3 seconds. The switching point is now set. Would you like to go through this again at your own pace? Then check out the step-by-step guide on our website.